This is Jyoti and you are in my little treat corner. Today I am going to make a prawn curry which I have learned from my mother. This dish we used to make with chicken in Sikkim, but this tastes really good with prawn as well. So I am going to show you how to make it. For this dish, I am going to use 500 grams of de-shelled and de-veined prawns. I am going to marinate this in half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder and 1 teaspoon of salt for about half an hour. In the meantime, I am going to chop 4 onions, 3 tomatoes, a cup of coriander leaves and 9 chilies. As usual, I am going to dice the onions, but for this curry, I like to cut them just a little bit bigger so you can actually see the onions even after they are cooked. I am going to slice the chilies halfway through, chop the coriander leaves, and chop the tomatoes like the onions. To make the curry, I am going to heat 1/3 cup of oil a bit. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, wait for it to splutter and then add 5 cloves, 4 cardamom pods and 3 1-inch cinnamon sticks to it. I am going to let this fry for half a minute and then add the onions in. Now I am going to add the chilies and fry till the onions become this light golden brown. Now I am going to add half a teaspoon each of ginger and garlic paste and fry till I get the strong aroma of ginger and garlic. Then I am going to add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder and 5 teaspoons of coriander powder. Fry for a minute and then add a little less than 2 teaspoons of salt. I am adding 1/4 cup of water to this so that the masala doesn't burn while it's getting cooked. Mix it in and then add the tomatoes and fry till the tomatoes are almost cooked. Now I am going to add the prawns, half a cup of water and then cook till the prawns are cooked. You know the prawns are cooked when they start taking the color of the curry. I am going to add the coriander leaves now and mix it in. And our prawn curry is ready. I usually serve this curry after about 2 hours so all the spices can really get into the prawns and it tastes delicious. This prawn curry is usually eaten with rice, but it goes very well with rotis and parathas also. If you like the video, please click the like button, and if you want to see more such videos, please subscribe to my channel and share with others too. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you soon.